Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Teal for job application tracking with LinkedIn integration step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Teal website. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Get Started button. Create an account by entering your email and setting up a password. After signing in, you will be directed to the Teal dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Integrations tab in the menu. Click on the Integrations tab to view available options. Find the LinkedIn integration option listed on the page. Click on the Connect button next to the LinkedIn option. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to sign into LinkedIn. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Login. If prompted, grant Teal permission to access your LinkedIn profile. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Return to the dashboard and click on Job Applications in the menu. To add a job application, click on the Add Application button. Fill in the required fields, including job title, company name, and application status. Use the LinkedIn import feature to automatically pull in job details from LinkedIn. Select the job listing from your LinkedIn feed that you wish to track. Ensure all information is accurate before saving the application. After saving, your job application will be added to your Teal dashboard. To view all applications, navigate back to the Job Applications section. You can now track the progress of each application directly from Teal. Take advantage of additional features such as reminders and notes to enhance your application process. Feel free to explore other functionalities within Teal for a comprehensive job search experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.